Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to delete my custom list in Best Buy. It's pretty much simple. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch a Best Buy business account. Now this is a Best Buy regular account in case you do not have a business account and looking for how to create that. From your regular account, head over to Best Buy Business. At the top left corner of your screen, click on that and follow through the on-screen prompt to create a business account. Then once you're done, go ahead and check your email to see if your account has been validated or approved by Best Buy. It usually takes 3 to 5 business days for them to confirm or approve your business account. Once it has been approved, then launch your Best Buy business account. I'm going to show you how you can delete your custom listing. So let's say you have already created a custom list and you want to delete it. Once you launch your Best Buy business homepage, at the top left corner of your screen, you're going to find a couple tabs which include My Others, My Inventory, My Messages, My Account, and Help. So go ahead and click on My Inventory, and once you click on that, it's going to show you an extended menu which include Offer List, Add an Offer, Import from File, and Catalog Management. Go ahead and click on Import from File. Once you click on Import from File, it's going to take you to this window where you have this Import an Inventory File, and then you have the source where you can select the file source, then select the file that you want to delete, and here where you have file content, go ahead and select the file content of the file that you want to delete, and here where you have this import mode, go ahead and click on Delete and Replace. That's if you want to delete and replace. So click on Delete and Replace. Once you click on Delete and Replace, follow through with the on-screen prompts for you to delete the list, that's the custom list that you have already created, and replace it with a new one. Or let's say if you don't want to replace it, you just want to delete it completely, head over to your home page again, and once you click on your home page, then click on the My Inventory tab. Once you click on that, click on Offer List. Once you click on your offer list, you're going to find the list of your offer list that you have created in Best Buy. Select the list that you want to delete and click on the delete option you're going to find next to the list. And once you do that, that custom list is going to be deleted. Now you can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.